here's something funny. So it looks like we just entered World War Three or the beginning phase, and like nobody around me cares. Like the world could end in like a few days, could end tomorrow or today because of what just happened in the what they call the Middle East. Like nuclear war, everybody dead, and nobody. Uh, you and my and I haven't even achieved any of my goals, dreams, and that guy just went and did the most stupidest thing. But anyways, yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Who are you supporting? And I can't believe it. Yo,